Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video, we're going to be doing a challenge, and as you guys can see, I have a guest on my channel, and her name is
Shona.
yeah. So for this video, we're going to be doing a spicy noodles challenge, and yeah, basically these are the noodles that we're going to be using. And on a scale of 1 to 10, describe your spice tolerance.
9.
9. Oh, maybe you're going to win this thing.
That's very
Cause,
crazy.
cause me personally, like I'll say my spice tolerance is like a 5.
Really?
Yes, and I cannot lose on my channel, so I'm going to bring my A game. Okay.
Okay.
So basically, that's what today's video is all about. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and
Subscribe.
Yeah. So do you think you're going
Thank
to
you.
win?
Hopefully. The only problem will be that I will cry after. If I can get milk, why not?
There's no milk.
I'll go and buy.
So yeah, I've been watching a lot of like spicy noodles challenge, and I was like, why don't I do it on my channel? Because I don't know, I just like it. So you guys enjoy. So guys, we're going to be doing a transition. So
Okay. 1, 2.
okay, so guys, we just finished cooking the noodles, and as you guys can see,
It's very spicy.
very spicy.
So
And I can't wait. I'm very excited. I know, see, you guys, I can't lose on my channel, but I know that I cannot handle spice that much. So let's see how this goes. So let me tell you guys about the rules of the game. The one and only rule is that you cannot drink water until after the game, and the person that drinks water first is the loser automatically. It's a speed eating challenge and also like a spicy speed eating challenge. So this is water. Show them your water. So yeah, very tempting, but we cannot drink it. So the loser gets to buy the winner yogurt to like ease the spice. So yeah, that's very exciting, right? Who doesn't want yogurt? So without further ado, let's start. Wait, I'm already feeling the heat. I'm ready to win this. You guys, I am very competitive.
I was born ready.
Okay, we'll see about that. Okay.
So help me God.
Okay. The game has begun.
Okay, I already know that you really can't handle spice. Wait now, small.
I cannot read this week. I can't do this. What is that? Not just
It's just pepper.
Like
Okay. I like pepper.
How are you? Guys, I am crying. I am sweating. Okay. We can do this. I'm not going to lose on my channel.
I'm not backing down. I'm not giving up.
I'm going to do this.
Never back down. Never what? Never give up.
It's a technique.
What technique?
Just watch me.
Ah, God. If I win this thing, they should just call me for Nigeria versus food. Because
guys, the titles on my channel is disgraceful.
That's your business, my love. That's your place to carry.
How? Are you sure we started this game the same time?
No.
I can't even be fast in this type of game. I'm sure you guys are like, I thought it was a speed eating challenge. I can't even be fast.
People will not understand. Oh God.
Game on.
Okay.
Game on.
Okay. Eating. You guys, and I told on me I want soft indomie. I need to know me.
It's not that issue.
My chest. Ah, Jesus.
Calm down so you will not choke. Slow.
I'm not. Don't make me laugh. I'm not swim.
Calm down.
Ooh. Imagine your computer telling you to calm down. You will not really calm down. I'm almost done though. Woo! Woo! Somebody help me. Oh my God.
Oh, breakfast.
I don't know. Oh, Jesus. This water is calling me.
You can drink it too. I think what else is that when you close your eyes and you guess. She said spice tolerance is 9.
I'm really mad.
Can I even take this spoon?
You drink water now.
I almost drank as you said that to me.
You guys, I'm done. Okay, I want to drink water. I just want to eat this tea. I drink water. I'm really mad.
Wait. Yeah, drink water.
Oh, what I eat this now? I want to drink water. I'm done. I won.
I take my own add all the pepper. Yes. There's no use again. What am I going to do this? I can't use food now.
Winner!
It's just literally there's the award.
I know. Oh my God. Wait.
Calm down,
Water.
I can drink now. So guys, I lost, but
Water.
But sometimes it's good to lose.
Motivational speaker.
You win some and you lose some. And this is the one I lost. You guys, I've never been good at like eating spicy food.
I'm running mad. I need milk. I need something. Gary, anything.
Okay, so she won. Like, she won.
All this for what?
Nutri-milk.
Help me, I'm serious. I'm running mad.
Just take my own as well. I will have ring water.
Help.
Okay, so let's go back to when she said
I like pepper.
Okay, guys, so let's replay how we started this video. And look at how we're looking now.
God.
But it's all good. I lost. And that's not a bad thing.
You guys, okay, leave the loser motivational quote. Motivational quote from the winner. Never back down, never give up. Always just have it in mind that you're going to win it. Rush it. Win it.
Did you think I didn't have it in mind I was going to
Rush it.
It's all good. It's all good. I have my other strong points. This is my weakness. So what? We all have our weaknesses. But anyways, we're done with this challenge.
Don't try this.
And I don't get to eat the full food. So it's a win for me. It's a win.
Don't try this at home.
It's actually a win for me.
Try this at home.
So guys, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I want to see more challenges from me. Comment down below. So I'll see you
Thank
guys.
you. Bye.
Bye. Hi guys, welcome and welcome.
Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel.
With arrange the table. I'm not wearing wig.
So what's the topic again?
What did you not tell me?